What's it? What's it say? What does that say?
F-E-L-E-I-M.
Well, a minute ago he laid them all out in the right order, his name. And I asked him to do it again, and he did it completely backwards. But he knows how to spell his name. 2.5 years old. Yay, Miles. Good job.